Hello all of you. Today the marketing tool channel returns. Share with everyone a supporting software on the Facebook platform. Helps us send messages once to a series of friends. For example, this is my Facebook account. As you can see, I have more than 1,200 friends. If I want to send a message to each person now, so I went to the sending message section, right? For example, I want to send this message. If I forward this message to someone else, I will forward it. Send this message to each member on the list. India sent one person to another. It will take a long time, right? Today I introduce to everyone a software tool. Please help me send messages automatically. First, I scan the Facebook account's friends list first. We copy the Facebook link. I converted this Facebook link into an ID. After having this ID, I use a tool to scan this data. Install this English language. Then I go to the section to scan data profile. Select the item to scan your friend list. Paste in the ID. Press start for the software to work. Let's all watch together. Everyone can see if the software works. It will start in this person's Facebook account to scan out this number of friends. The number of members will increase continuously like this until it scans the entire friend list. Suppose I will stop at this level. I will stop scanning anymore. I have scanned a list of 200 friends. Once I have a list of 200 friends, I can export it to this Excel file. Save outside the screen, for example. Save it as data friend. Once I save this file, now everyone just needs to open the Excel file. Everyone will see it in the Excel file. The first thing it has is the ID of the account I scanned. The next column is the ID of the friends list. Next is each person's Facebook name. I will copy the entire list of friends IDs. Now that I have the list, I use another software tool. Help me send mass messages to my friends' ID list file. It can control many accounts at the same time. I will go to the viral marketing section. Select personal messaging. I imported the entire list of friend IDs I copied earlier. Delete all of IDs. Paste in the new ID. After pasting, everyone will exit and save. I will check to see if the ID has been saved. Yes. Now I can choose the content I want to send the message. For example, here I have a lot of content that I have prepared. Everyone, if you want to prepare more content, go to the content management section. Select a content if you need to attach an image. I will choose to attach an image. Then select the image and compose content here. Then I press save. Everyone will have all the content they have prepared here. Return to this message sending section. I just need to choose any content, for example. Now I will select multiple content, for example. Let's choose these for contents. Then save. It will display these for contents. The final step is to choose the number of Facebook accounts. Let me send a direct message to your friended list. Let's all watch together. Here, I have already logged into many Facebook accounts. It's not just 1 or 2 accounts, but it amounts to thousands of accounts. Here I have 1,459 accounts. If I use it all to text 2,000 friends, it will take me a very short time. Every one account that messages to people is the entire list. Return to sending messages. I will choose a file saved in any account. There will be 68 accounts operating together. Everyone can see the results. After the software starts working, it will log into all the Facebook accounts that you have saved in this folder. Each Facebook account sends messages to a separate ID address. To ensure that there are no duplicate messages, this is a computer installation software. I will buy a 1-year license or a lifetime license. If you find this software suitable for your needs, please contact me directly. I put the information in the video. Thank you everyone for watching the entire video. Hello and see you again in the next videos.